Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to open and close your car hood of a Volkswagen Vox. Open the driver's side door and go to the bottom side. There are the pedals. On the left side, you can see there is a feet rest area, and above this, there is a lever. This lever you have to pull until you hear a little clicky sound or you feel an unlock thing. Then go in front of your car. Above the VW sign, you can see and you can feel on the right side a little bit, if you're standing in front of it, there is a lever. This lever you have to push while you are pushing upward the car hood. The lever to the right side, and if you do this, you are able to open the car hood immediately. Here we are. Push, and here we are. Now it goes upward, and to rest or to secure the car hood, you have a stick here. The stick is damaged in this case, but here is the area where you can dock the right stick. I'm using this thing that is not so good, but now you're able to get into the engine area, and here you can have some maintenance, etc. If you finish the work, you have to get the stick back in position here in the host, and here you can see this is the area where you can dock. Now 20 centimeters, let the car hood drop to the lock, maybe push a little bit from the upper side, then it's locked. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon. Soon.